Hey, happy Monday morning and welcome to the Monday Morning Mortgage Minute. Today is July 15th, and if you have not paid your mortgage this month, please do it today. Trust me, you'll thank me later. I decided with continuing the Facebook Live video thing because I'm spontaneous. No, I just didn't have time to edit a new video before this morning. But I am in my new office. Check it out. Yeah, that's a mini fridge. I'm working off of a cardboard box right now, just because our desk got damaged in transit. But you know, this is what grinding looks like. Look at this office, pretty cool. And I will for sure let you guys know once we have our open house and have everything set up. So on with the show. With the state of the market and the influx of people inquiring on purchasing a home, I thought I'd tell y'all kind of like the best things that you can do right now to help get you pre-qualified. So first and foremost, let me say this. If you're deciding on whether to focus on your credit or save money for a down payment, obviously you want to try and do both if you can. But right now, if you need to be making sure that you're focusing on your credit scores, that's what's most important. So having a good credit score can affect the terms of your loan. It affects your ability to tap into any down payment or closing cost assistance programs. It makes your file appear better to the underwriter. You know, if you have low credit scores, you have a bunch of collections, you don't pay your bills on time, and there's a history of that shows up. It's an added layer of risk, and it is something that we take into account, that the underwriters take into account, you know, when qualifying you. So here's just some quick tips that you can do. Just because, like I said, focusing on your credit scores is going to be, if you had to pick between that or saving money, you definitely want to get your credit in line. So number one, pay all your bills on time. Missing a payment on any bill is a great way to get your credit downgraded, but you definitely want to pay every bill every month. And actually, you should have things like your student loans on auto pay. Now, if you miss a student loan payment, that's not good. That could drop your score about 100 points. Kind of crazy, I know. And if you have credit cards, you want to keep the balance below 30% of your overall credit utilization. So Dave, what does that mean? For example, if you have a credit card with a limit of $3,000, you want to make sure that you keep your balance at $1,000 or under, and of course pay that on time. But keeping that under 30% of your overall credit utilization, that's going to keep your scores reporting positively to the credit bureaus. You can get up to half, you know, so if you go up to like 1,500 out of 3,000, you're probably okay. But over that, it's just not doing you any favors. And then additionally, if you do have a collection account right now, it might be in your best interest to actually not pay that account. Making payments on a collection account can actually bring bad debt current, and it can become a bigger factor in your score. So working on credit isn't always very intuitive. Sometimes you need a coach, someone who can kind of look at it and give you some guidance, or you can look into credit repair services. And you know, I'd be happy to connect you with someone if you're looking to do that as well. So yeah, having a good credit score really opens up the realms of possibilities. That being said, I can do FHA loans with scores down to 500 points. Now you're going to have 20% down, but if you say, you know, I have low credit, but I do have some cash stashed away, there's still, you know, we can still help you out. So regardless of your situation, I'm always available during the week to answer questions, help point you in the right direction and all that good stuff. So this has been your Monday Morning Mortgage Minute. This week on Thursday, I'm going to be at the 2019 Ada County Housing Summit. That's going to be at the Sensi Commons. I hope to see you out there. I hope you guys have a great week. And other than that, we'll see you out there.